You guys wondered after receiving a message from someone stating about happy friendship day? You are surprised because you never consider the particular person as a friend, maybe a little less than a friend, or maybe sometimes a little more than a friend, right? And you guys are confused in between, caught in the wrong impression, right? Now, what is it all about, Friendship Day? Is it about only one day that we can celebrate friendship and then, of course, let's forget about it? Do you guys really have friends in your life? If yes, then how do you count on them? And why do you call them friends? Or can you call each and every person as a friend? Well, if you guys are getting amused by all these questions, and of course, this video belongs to you, I believe. We do expect a lot of things from our friends, right? Maybe unconditional love even sometimes. We do talk about parenting, we do talk about unconditional love receiving from our parents. But can you expect unconditional love, affection from your friend? Well, nowadays, I don't know, we hardly believe in that, I believe. But I don't care whether we can count on our friends or not. Nowadays, maybe the definition of friend or friendship may be changed. And why not? Everything is getting changed nowadays, right? So, what do you think about it? And what should be the foundation of a friendship? Well, if you're asking me, then I would say two simple things. Number one, trust. And number two, help. I think these two things, if you collaborate, if you combine them, I think that becomes friendship in a layman term, I would believe. There are so many things to expect from a friend. I'm not talking about all those. Let's stick to the fundamentals, because if you're expecting more, you're going to get less, right? So let's think about all these two things that I talked about, right? You can trust your friend so that you do not get backstabbed, which is a very dangerous thing nowadays, right? Anybody can backstab you at any point of time, but a true friend won't. Maybe that person won't be able to help you, but that person won't ever backstab you. That person won't ever try to drag you down. Now, that kind of friend who is actually greater than an enemy, I'm afraid, don't put a knife in that kind of friend's hand. Now, the second part which I said, that is, of course, about help. Yes, you should help others. I mean, it's not only for friendship. We should help each other and build a relationship. Let's call it a friendship, why not? But are we really helping each other? Do we have the mind to help each other? No, we don't. Two reasons behind. We don't want to help because we do not have time. We refer to the time, but it's actually not the time. It's about intensity. We don't have intensity to help. And on the other hand, yes, what's in it for me? So being selfish. We think about ourselves, that there is no denial about it, right? Why would I do that for someone else? Let's think about only myself, my family, or everything. Well, if I have something more than what I need, probably I can distribute. But if I have less than what I need, how can I distribute? But yes, it's very difficult to think about it in that manner. But a lot of people can. So yes, we should help each other whenever we have the opportunity. It doesn't matter who the person is. If you can help, maybe with a minimum effort, with a minimum contribution, it doesn't matter. Help is a help. So we do not think about all these things, but we still think about friendship. By what? By posting pictures on social media. By celebrating with a glass of wine, probably. Who knows? So I never ever have a single picture with someone, but on a friendship day, I can get a lot of pictures with a lot of people and posting it, tagging them, friendship. This is the beauty of social media. You are creating an impression. You are not creating actual value. Well, I don't know how many people are thinking about value nowadays, but friendship does create a lot of values. You can't claim everyone as a friend. But yes, you got to think about it. You got to consider someone as a friend, maybe for a lifelong. Well, nowadays it's vague, I would say. It's very, very difficult. Still have faith on friendship, but it's got limited to something. But if you have the humanity still alive, you still have the friendship hidden inside of you. So, yep, it's up to you guys how you guys are thinking about it. Let me know. What do you think about friendship? Do you have a friend? Well, if you're asking me, I'm afraid